Good night. My name is Edgar Perez. Uh, Identification document. Okay. Age. I am 30 years old. Occupation. I work on drilling platform. Marital status. I live in free union. Birthplace. Born in the municipality of Sogamoso department of Boyacá. Family. My family is most above my mom, Nubia Perez, my brother, Cesar Mauricio Perez, my sister, Carmen Lucía Perez, my wife, Edna Cárdenas, and my son, Edgar Steven Perez. Personality, I am happy person, hardworking, persevering, and I am bad so many uh, likes and dislikes. Likes. I like soccer, good movies, food, and sincerity. I do not like, excuse me, dislikes. I do not like fat people. Word, white, low people. Um, daily routine. My daily routine during the shift. I wake up early to work. I study in the afternoon. I go to bed early on the days of rest state all the time to check with my family. Uh, okay, thank you.